Today, we're discussing how to start a successful construction business in Africa. Whether you're interested in building homes, commercial buildings, or roads, there's significant potential in the African construction sector. We'll cover the essential steps for starting a construction business, the opportunities in the market, and effective marketing strategies to generate revenue. Stay with us for this comprehensive guide to building a successful construction business in Africa. We are here to help you start your business. We can help you purchase good quality machines. Contact us on WhatsApp. Check my number on this video description below, subscribe, share, and comment. Africa's construction industry is booming, driven by rapid urbanization, a growing population, and increasing demand for infrastructure. According to various studies, the African construction market is projected to grow significantly over the next decade. This presents a tremendous opportunity for entrepreneurs and construction businesses to meet the demand for housing, commercial spaces, roads, and other infrastructure. Urbanization. Africa is experiencing one of the fastest rates of urbanization in the world. As more people move to cities, the demand for housing, schools, hospitals, and commercial buildings increases. Infrastructure development. Governments across Africa are investing in infrastructure projects, including roads, bridges, airports, and energy facilities. This creates opportunities for construction businesses to participate in large-scale projects. Housing shortage. Despite rapid growth, many African countries face housing shortages. This provides a significant opportunity for construction businesses to meet the demand for affordable housing. With the tremendous opportunities in the construction sector, let's discuss the key steps to start a construction business in Africa. Here's what you need to know. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, construction services, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. A well-structured business plan is crucial for securing funding and guiding your business's growth. 2. Legal structure. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Consider consulting with a legal expert to understand the regulatory requirements and ensure compliance with local laws. 3. Licensing and permits. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate a construction business. Requirements vary by country and region, so ensure you comply with local regulations. You may need permits for specific types of construction, such as building homes or commercial buildings. 4. Funding and capital. Secure funding for your business. This may involve personal savings, loans, or investments from business partners. Present your business plan to potential investors or financial institutions to secure the necessary capital. 5. Equipment and tools. Invest in the equipment and tools needed for construction projects. This includes heavy machinery like excavators and cranes, as well as smaller tools for building and roofing. 6. Hiring and training. Hire skilled workers, including engineers, architects, construction workers, and administrative staff. Provide training to ensure your team meets safety and quality standards. 7. Safety and compliance. Prioritize safety on construction sites. Establish safety protocols. Provide personal protective equipment, PPE, and ensure compliance with local regulations and building codes. Now that we have a basic outline for starting a construction business, let's explore the different focus areas within the construction sector in Africa. 1. Residential construction. Building homes and residential complexes is a significant opportunity. This includes both affordable housing and luxury homes, catering to different market segments. 2. Commercial construction. Constructing office buildings, retail spaces, and other commercial structures can be highly lucrative. This sector requires specialized skills and attention to detail. 3. Infrastructure construction. Governments across Africa are investing in infrastructure development. This includes roads, bridges, and airports. Businesses in this sector often work with government contracts and require compliance with strict standards. Marketing is key to generating revenue in the construction sector. Here are some effective marketing strategies to help your business thrive. 1. Building relationships. Establish strong relationships with clients, government agencies, and other stakeholders in the construction industry. Networking can lead to valuable opportunities and contracts. 2. Online presence. Create a professional website and maintain active social media profiles. Share examples of completed projects, customer testimonials, and company achievements to build credibility. 3. Industry events. Participate in industry events, trade shows, and exhibitions. These are excellent opportunities to connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. 4. Partnerships and collaborations. Collaborate with architects, engineers, and other construction professionals. Partnerships can expand your reach and lead to new business opportunities. 5. Customer testimonials and reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to provide testimonials and reviews. Positive feedback builds trust and attracts new clients. Africa's construction industry is booming, driven by urbanization, infrastructure development, and a growing demand for housing and commercial spaces. If you're considering starting a construction business in Africa, here are some of the best opportunities to consider. 1. Residential construction. The demand for housing is high across Africa due to rapid urbanization and population growth. Residential construction involves building homes, apartment complexes, and housing estates. This sector offers consistent demand and a range of projects, from affordable housing to luxury residences. 2. Commercial construction. As African economies grow, there's a significant need for office buildings, shopping malls, hotels, and other commercial spaces. This sector can be lucrative, with larger-scale projects and opportunities to work with corporate clients. 3. Infrastructure development. Governments across Africa are investing in infrastructure projects, including roads, bridges, airports, and energy facilities. This sector requires specialized skills and resources, but offers substantial opportunities for construction businesses willing to work on larger projects. To succeed in the construction business, you need a steady stream of clients. Here are some effective strategies to help you attract more clients in Africa. Build strong relationships with industry professionals, government officials, and potential clients. Attend industry events, trade shows, and conferences to network and make connections. Developing a solid network can lead to referrals and business opportunities. Establish a professional website and maintain active social media profiles. Share examples of completed projects, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes content. A strong online presence helps you reach a wider audience and build credibility. Attract clients by offering competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Highlight your commitment to excellent workmanship and meeting deadlines. Satisfied clients are more likely to refer you to others. Produce valuable content that demonstrates your expertise in construction. This can include blog posts, videos, and case studies showcasing your projects and explaining your approach to construction. Content marketing helps establish your business as a trusted authority in the industry. Form partnerships with architects, engineers, real estate developers, and other construction-related businesses. Collaborations can expand your reach and lead to joint ventures or referrals. Engage in community projects or charitable initiatives that involve construction work. This helps build a positive reputation and fosters goodwill in the community, attracting clients who value socially responsible businesses. To build a successful construction business in Africa, consider these additional tips. Safety should be a top priority on construction sites. Implement safety protocols, provide personal protective equipment, PPE, and ensure compliance with industry regulations and building codes. A safe working environment enhances your business's reputation and reduces the risk of accidents. Deliver exceptional customer service to build strong client relationships. Communicate clearly, set realistic expectations, and address any issues promptly. Positive client interactions lead to repeat business and referrals. Starting a successful construction business in Africa requires careful planning, compliance with regulations, and effective marketing strategies. The construction sector offers significant opportunities for growth with a wide range of focus areas. By following the steps we've outlined and implementing the right marketing strategies, you can build a thriving construction business. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business in Africa. Until next time, keep building and exploring new opportunities.